Just got the LS swap in my 03 ZR2 running a few weeks ago. Gonna go over a few of it. Put Dragy pass in this video too. So it started out as a L9H out of a GM SUV. It's mostly LS3 stuff on it now, exception being throttle body and valve relief pistons. Almost everything else is LS3 now. Intake, the lighter intake valves. It's got a stage 2 BTR cam. Made it to a 4L70 out of a Trailblazer. Had one laying around. It would go to the 4L60, but I had one, so why not? Running the Corvette front drive setup. Was able to keep the radiator in the stock location. Hooker black cart. AC box from Holley. Add a little bit more room to the side. Sitting in there with ICT small LS to small block mounts. Flipped them side to side and put it right there. So about where it exactly had to be, front and back, just worked out perfect. The exhaust, like I said, was probably the hardest thing to get in there. It took the most time. I'll put some pictures in there of what we had to do to get all that set, but it wasn't too terrible other than that. Does not have any nitrous on it yet, but it will. Used to run nitrous on the 4.3, and that went a best of 1405 on the street. But you'll see what it runs on motor now. Had this truck since it was new in 03, and finally got tired of the 4.3, just wasn't doing it anymore. It's a little boring compared to driving the Chevelle all the time. Sanderson LS S10 swap headers. I changed the collectors to make them fit better and to go to 3-inch instead of the 2.5-inch that they come with. Exhaust I built out of a couple kits from Amazon. So cheap stuff, but 3-inch stainless. Has a what they call a trombone loop to try to make it as even as possible side to side. X pipe, and runs to 2 Borla Pro XS mufflers. I'll put some clips and pictures of what that ended up looking like. Full-size GM half-ton Hydro Boost brakes. This one was off of a Yukon, but they're probably similar to a lot of other models. Flipped upside down to give me more room next to the engine. Actually kind of made the factory lines all work as well. Probably cleaner ways to do it, but that was the simplest and easy to replace if need be. You can see there, current performance, integration harness. So still has the factory ECU doing who knows what. So the gauges and other things will still work, but this is actually being run by a Holley Terminator X engine and transmission. 2 reasons for doing that: I'm more familiar with the tuning on those than HP. And also we're going to be using it for nitrous control, so that will help as well. All the gauges work aside from the tach so far. I have not got that figured out, but it probably will. You can see the tach still reading way high, but we'll figure that out. Also has a 3600 stall FTI triple disc converter.